Hey Ross, hope you're doing good today. My name is Craig. I'm actually the owner of Click Medias. I spoke to your business partner Eduardo today, and he gave me your information and your email to send this video to. So basically, I work with many contractors all across the country, and my goal is to get more leads um, and organic leads that you don't have to pay for coming to your website. Um, so I'll start with three things really that's going to help you. Um, if you watch this video and you think I could be helpful, I'd love to hear back from you. I'd love your feedback either way. But if not, these are tools you can apply yourself actually. Um, so I'll go ahead and get started. Um, there's three things mainly that we can help you with. First is content. The second is citations. And the third is backlinks. And let me give you a description about what all that is. Um, on your first page, you need about 1,500 words of content. Obviously, we're really short there. There's not a lot of content about what you do or anything like that. Obviously, you have a picture up here, you have your name, your services you have listed here, but you could easily get 1,500 words of content on your page by describing each of these. And obviously, that content in those 1,500 to 2,000 words would explain what you do and find keywords such as uh, power washing Houston or pressure washing Houston, window cleaning Houston, gutter cleaning Houston, things like that, so people find your page when they're searching on Google. Number two, where most people, the quickest way to increase your business, um, sometimes up to 50% more leads, is by getting in this map pack here. So, like if I search pressure washing Houston, these three companies show up in the map pack. That is simply by having citations. And what citations are is being listed on registries. So I did pull you and the three people on the map pack up, and really, you're not far off. The pressure washing companies, A-Pro, Sunny, and Renew, they have 31, 35, 28, and you have 28 as well. So really, the best way to do that is just go in and you can actually see where they're listed. So again, this is um, registries where you can put your business and it'll boost your map pack rating. So YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Bing. So you could go in to your competition like A-Pro here, match all these, and then get a bunch more. I mean, you can get 250, 300, which is where I'd put you to make sure you're showing up top. And then, so that's simple enough. You really want to show up in this map pack. It'll help your business immensely. People just go search pressure washing and they see one of these and they click them and they call. Number three is backlinks to your website. So what backlinks are is a referring domain is another website that links to your website. So you have 16 total websites linking to your website, with 40 different backlinks. Basically, this is how you're going to show up in areas down here, like up top, with more backlinks. Obviously, Home Advisor and these guys that take all the leads now that everybody has to pay for. Our goal is to start beating these guys. Obviously, these are ads, which you can pay for, but then you can also show up like Geek Window Cleaning is here towards the top. And that comes down to, again, backlinks. If you look at your company, like we said, you're right here with 16 websites with your link to it with 40 backlinks. If you look at a company like Renew, they have 62 referring domains with 236 backlinks. So then it's all about keywords. You really want content and keywords. Let me pull this up. So if someone's searching house pressure washing near me, they show up in the 17th position. Pressure washing Houston, they show up in the 9th position. 1 to 10 is pretty much on the first page, which is where you want to show up. So we would put Houston, Texas pressure washing on your front page a number of times to get you to rank up. So those are just the three things that I really think I could help you with. I think we could, if you were interested, I mean, we can either optimize your website, we could build you a totally new website. There's a number of things we can do to help you guys, even if it's just fixing your citations for you and getting you ranking high. in the map pack. But I'd love to be a help anyways. I know that Eduardo said y'all are pretty busy right now, but y'all are coming to the slower months. It would actually be a perfect time to get it working for you guys. But again, no pressure from me. If this is something you think we can help you with, definitely let me know. If not, just take all these tips and do what you can with them. I definitely appreciate your time. Thank you.